around the world. Don't wait. Call 877-4Vonage or go to Vonage.com and start saving. Vonage. Sounds good.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services and the California State Department of Homeland Security and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. All severe thunderstorm anomalies have disappeared. This is an all-clear message, but please be cautious, as there are some damages in downtown Los Angeles and other areas. Repeating, this is a all-clear message. Normal programming may now resume.